Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today is all about corns and calluses, and when you should see a doctor about your corns. Corns and calluses are thick, hardened layers of skin that develop when your skin tries to protect itself against friction and pressure. They most often develop on the feet and toes or hands and fingers. Corns and calluses can be unsightly. If you're healthy, you need treatment for corns and calluses only if they cause discomfort. For most people, simply eliminating the source of friction or pressure makes corns and calluses disappear. If you have diabetes or another condition that causes poor blood flow to your feet, you're at greater risk of complications from corns and calluses. So seek your doctor's advice on proper care for corns and calluses if you have such conditions. And did you know that corns and calluses are not the same thing? Corns are smaller than calluses and have a hard center surrounded by inflamed skin. Corns tend to develop on parts of your feet that don't bear weight, such as the tops and sides of your toes and even between your toes. They can also be found in weight-bearing areas. Corns can be painful when pressed. Calluses are rarely painful. They usually develop on the soles of your feet, especially under the heels or balls, on your palms, or on your knees. Calluses vary in size and shape and are often larger than corns. So when should you see a doctor about your corns and calluses? If a corn or callus becomes very painful or inflamed, then see your doctor. If you have diabetes or poor blood flow, call your doctor before self-treating a corn or callus, because even a minor injury to your foot can lead to an infection or open sore. Let's look at a few more examples of corns, then I'll tell you a bit about rest more.
Hello, I just wanted to make this video to tell you guys about Rest More. Now, if you're like me and you have trouble falling asleep fast and staying asleep, then you should check out buyrestmore.com. It's all natural, veggie based, and it'll help you have a great night of sleep. And it also helps your mind relax so that you can fall asleep too. So everyone needs this in this medicine cabinet for just those nights where you just can't sleep.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon. Good night.